Yeah, welcome to today's class. And in this tutorial, I'm actually showing you what we mean by fishes hanging or sustaining on the water. Today is the 25th day from hatchery, or 22nd day from feeding. So if you look closely, you always see the ones that are being sustained on the water. They are still moving. I deliberately did not run flow through or change the water since yesterday because I want them to get hanging, which is not good for them. So when they hang, you can see them hanging. They are sustaining themselves on water. So this can actually be caused by dirty water when the water is not clean enough for them. You can always see them. These ones are the ones I transferred from this other bigger pond to this place. You can see I still have debris in the water. I still have debris beneath the water, which I will clean, but I don't advise you to allow the debris to remain. You have to siphon. I'm actually allowing them to remain because of the purpose of this class. I run water always, and you can see the shootouts inside, the bigger ones that are inside. You can see them moving around. So what you do is to bring them out, you can use your kakaban. To pick them one after the other, or you bring out all the fishes from the pond. Bring them out all from the pond and sort them. So you can see the shootouts. Don't allow debris to remain in your pond this way. You may not be able to handle them. So you make sure your pond is clean until you're very much able to handle whatever that comes up. So that is it for today's class. Thank you very much.
Thank you for choosing Grand Skills as your #1 online free professional course creator. For your notice, I want you to know that the instructor of this course has put in so much effort, time and money just to create this content for you to learn all for free. So please do well to click on the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to all so you will be the first to get our video tutorials we'll be posting at all time. Also give it a thumbs up and drop a comment to help us improve more. Thank you.